Right, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to do is fit these Bonnet Risers. These are from AirTech, and if you need a set Bonnet Risers, jump on my website, which is CUSTOMRIDES.uk. Right, yeah, so let's crack on really. It should be fairly simple. You get these really nice billet Bonnet Risers, and it has Ford Racing on it, which is really nice. So what we're going to do is take the bracket, the bolts off of the bracket. We're going to drop the bonnet, or lift the bonnet slightly up and put the riser in between, and then use the new bolts, which will back like this, and they will go onto here and screw up. So we can just put these bolts somewhere safe if we want to put them or take them off. So that is what we're going to do today. We're going to attempt to do that now. So we're just going to do the bolts and get this prepared for applying these. But yeah, I mean, let's just take that out. That's really nice. It's got Ford Racing on it, which is really, really nice. Nice billet. It's about an inch. If it picks it up, about an inch. And we'll mount that. Mount it like that. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay, so bolt number 1, which will look like that, and so we'll just go to the next one now. Okay guys, so probably not the easiest thing to do on your own. Once you take that last one off, it does pop quite quickly, so be aware of that. I'd have someone holding it, unlike me, which now I'm balancing it on my head. So just be aware of that, get somebody else to help you. Let's get this done. Okay, so that's one side done, which was fairly simple. I mean, taking the bolt off, putting it on was like 2 minutes, less than that. So that's how that looks at the moment. I'm a little bit worried that obviously it moved slightly when I took the bolts off, so I'm hoping that lines up correctly and we don't have any problems shutting it. So we're going to move to the other side now and repeat the process, and well, that seems okay. So let's get the other side done. Okay, so I'll show you on this side. So I've just undone the bolts. You need to basically lift it out, which will give you enough space to put the spacer or the bonnet riser in, and then just do the bolts up. So I'm just going to do that now, but you can see that's pretty simple. That's actually just hanging on. So yeah, just the two bolts on a 10mm ratchet, and then just lift it up and then slide that in. Let's get that done now. Okay, so that's the other side done. Really simple, a little bit fiddly. I would definitely have somebody else just holding the bonnet, because you just need to sort of almost lift it up slightly when you're putting the pins back in and get it straight, or they will sort of go at a slight angle and you won't be able to do them up correctly. So apart from that, that was pretty simple. So I'm quite excited to see what this looks like now with the bonnet down. So yeah, we're just going to make sure that everything's on tight, and then we'll drop the bonnet down and have a look and see how she looks, and hopefully everything is lined up correctly, because that's my only worry. Okay, let's clear the tools up and let's see what it looks like. Okay, it didn't close as well as I hoped, so let's just see why that was. Wow, okay, gosh. That is a is wow, a lot. Right, let's just check out this bonnet and let's have a look. Okay, so I'm going to show you that the bonnet does close absolutely fine. It's just I didn't drop it hard enough. So let's just drop that. So absolutely fine, no problem, and I've already opened it twice.
All of my days. All of my days.